Hello, we are continuing on our series to explore the ingredients that constitute Femboard, the different herbs that come together to form the synergy, the result, powerful result that we're having after using it. Yesterday we talked about mullein and chasteberry or a vitis berry, and we saw how the great benefits that they give to us in our body. Today we'll continue with the next two, which is a ginger root and ashoka bark. Ginger is a household name. It's not strange to many people. In many homes, you can find a ginger root there. Ginger, from using it as a condiment, a spice, seasoning for our food to give them some zest, flavoring, to using it as anti-sickness or anti-nausea is well known by many people. So ginger has many compounds, several compounds that makes it to give us the benefit that we have when we use it. One especially is gingerol. That helps us. It's a gastric GI stimulant. It helps the motility of our bowel, and that in itself helps to aid digestion, relieving symptoms of indigestion like bloating, flatulence, nausea and vomiting. It gets rid of that. And also, as it helps the motility of the bowel, it can help relieve symptoms of constipation. So that is ginger. And it also has a natural painkiller effect that can help us relieve our pain. So we move now to ashoka bark. Is one of the components, ingredients that make up a Femboard. This is a herb, a tree or plant that is native in India. It's found commonly in the India region, and they make use of it so well. And it has many benefits for skin, for beauty. That is why it's giving a good glow to those that are using the Femboard. It removes acne, and lines, wrinkles. So it helps to beautify the body. And also, it also helps in preventing heavy bleeding, internal bleeding. No wonder we're having testimonials of those having heavy periods that is being regulated. It helps with a pile, those that have hemorrhoids. It also eases them and heals it. So it's a powerful ingredient that is in our Femboard. Also, we see that it helps in balancing hormones, the hormones of the woman, and it also helps in removing other gynecological problems such as fibroid, blocked tubes, all those conditions. It helps relieve them. And lastly, I will say is that it helps in relieving kidney stones. Those that have kidney problems, kidney stones, it helps in eliminating it, and also help with diabetes. The problem of high blood sugar in the blood, it helps in the management of diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes. So these are good uses, benefits that the combination of all these herbs are working in Fembod. So if you are looking at it as just ordinary tea, it's more than that. Take it to nourish your body and keep your health and wellness. See you in the next video as we talk about other components that made up the tea Fembod. See you there. The urinary, those of the digestive, cramping pain anywhere in the body, this, get hold of it and take it off you to give you a relief. It's a herb that is native to Europe. It has very high content of flavonoids and carotenoids.